Hello, word friends, and welcome back. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me for another linguistic adventure. Today, we're diving deep into a wonderfully useful word, complex. Complex is a B1 level adjective meaning complicated or intricate. It describes something that is not simple and has many different parts connected in a difficult way. Think of a really elaborate machine or a knot that's hard to untangle. That's something complex. You might hear someone say, "The instructions for assembling this furniture are incredibly complex," or "The human brain is the most complex organ in the body." In everyday language, complex helps us describe things that require careful attention and understanding. Now, let's explore some synonyms for complex. A good synonym is complicated. For example, the situation became even more complicated after the new information came to light. Another synonym is intricate. Imagine a beautiful, detailed tapestry. You could say, "The design on the tapestry was incredibly intricate." Another option is involved. As in, the project became quite involved, requiring a significant amount of time and resources. And finally, consider the word elaborate. She gave an elaborate explanation of her research findings. Each of these words, complicated, intricate, involved, and elaborate, share the core meaning of something not being simple or straightforward. But what about words that mean the opposite of complex? Let's look at some antonyms. The most obvious antonym is simple. The solution was surprisingly simple once we identified the core issue. Another antonym is easy. The task was much easier than I had initially anticipated. We can also use the word straightforward. He gave a straightforward explanation of the policy. Another useful antonym is uncomplicated. The recipe is relatively uncomplicated and easy to follow. And lastly, we can use the word basic. The instructions were very basic and easy to understand. So, while complex describes something with many interconnected parts, words like simple, easy, straightforward, uncomplicated, and basic describe something that is clear and easy to understand. Now, how can you use complex in everyday life? Well, you might say, "I'm dealing with a complex problem at work that requires a lot of analysis." Or, "Understanding quantum physics is a complex undertaking." You could also say, "The plot of the novel was so complex that I had to read it twice to understand it fully." Here are a few more example sentences and phrases. The legal system can be quite complex to navigate. He has a complex personality. Sometimes he's cheerful, and sometimes he's reserved. The algorithm is based on a complex mathematical model. She has a complex relationship with her family. The company has a complex organizational structure. Remember, complex is a versatile word that can be used to describe anything from situations and problems to ideas and relationships. To recap, complex is an adjective meaning complicated or intricate. We learned some great synonyms like complicated, intricate, involved, and elaborate, as well as antonyms like simple, easy, straightforward, uncomplicated, and basic. And we explored various ways to use complex in everyday conversations. Thank you for joining me on Hello Word today. I hope you found this exploration of the word complex helpful. Before you go, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show and expand their vocabulary. And now for your challenge. Create your own sentence using the word complex and share it in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring the wonderful world of words.